Avocados are allegedly rich in anti-inflammatory properties which help to relieve arthritis pain. Avocados are just a good all-round powerhouse of nutrients and healthy fats. They're also great for helping to regulate blood pressure, and they're great for the heart. In this episode, we're going to make avocado toast. When you're choosing your avocado, you want it to be nice and ripe, and you can tell if they're ripe if you give them a bit of a squeeze and they've got a bit of give in them. Slice the avocado. Give it a twist. Take out the pip. Avocados are really lovely, but they do contain quite a lot of calories, so we don't want to go over the top with them. So in this recipe, I'm just going to use half an avocado. I like rye bread. I find it's a bit naff when it comes straight out of the packet, so I like to toast it well so it changes the texture from uninteresting to slightly crunchy, and then the flavours just seem to come out more. So my wife, she needs to have gluten-free bread, so I'm just going to hack off a nice slice of gluten-free for her. So while the toast is cooking, I'm just going to turn out the avocado. I'm just going to bash it up. If you wanted to make yourself something else, maybe for lunch, why stop there? What you could do is you could ramp up the flavour a little bit and add in a bit more nutrition. What you could do is you could just put in a little squeeze of lemon. Add in some salt and pepper. If you wanted to, you could also boil an egg. Maybe add in a slice of cucumber or some carrot or something and lay that over the top, maybe with some lamb's lettuce. And then all you need to do is butter the avocado over the toast. So there you go, how to make avocado toast. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this around health and well-being, then please do subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell to get notified of all of our latest uploads.